How you doing, everybody? We are here today at Disney World Hollywood Studios. So in today's video, we will be going to Ice Cold Hydraulics. It's a new snack stand that I wanted to try. It's near the Muppets Theater. So we're gonna go over there, head over there, try out the new food they have there. And also, I do have a surprise. My family, my mother will be coming, and also my little sister. They will be joining us today. So we're gonna go ahead, have some fun, and see how many rides we can get on. We just got here, it's 5:40. So we're gonna see how many rides we can do in about 4 hours, well, really 3 hours and 20 minutes. But we're about to go ahead and dive in and have a great time. So here is my mother.
Hi.
There's my little sister.
Hi.
And here's Skylar, she was with them. She was with them all day. So they actually went to Magic Kingdom and did the Smell-O-Phant. Yes. This is the sticker they got for completing it.
And we got them all right. Yeah, we sure did.
So yeah, they're here. We're about to go ahead and head to Hollywood. Well, we're here now, but we're about to go ahead and try to get on some rides and eat some food. We're actually about to get some dinner right now too. So let's go ahead and eat because I'm hungry. As we're walking to ABC Commentary, looking at the crowd, it doesn't look too bad actually. Might be able to get on a lot of rides today. I am seeing the wait. I saw the wait times, and Slinky was at 90, but everything guest is at like 40 and below. So that's a good sign. So we're gonna try and get on as much as possible. So I do have some exciting news. I will be doing my first rope drop for you guys at Epcot Saturday on Mother's Day weekend. I want to see how crazy the crowd get and how much we can get done in probably 3 to 4 hours. So that will be happening Saturday. I'm excited for that. So this is what we end up getting for dinner. You got the teriyaki tofu bowl. That's what she got. And I ended up getting just some chicken tender and fries. But I did not know, this is the only place I think has cheese sauce. Is the Backlot by Star Tours. So that's interesting because this is the first time I've ever seen that on a menu. It has some cheese sauce. So it's pretty good to know, but we're about to go ahead and dive in. I mean, she's gonna go ahead and tell you what tofu tastes like. And my mom, she got the real teriyaki chicken in bowl. Same thing, she got the cheese sauce too. All right, guys, so we just got done eating and it took us an hour. My mom eats like a turtle. But no, it's all right, I'm just kidding. But we are about to go ahead and see how many rides we can get done in 2 hours. It is 7 o'clock right now, so I'm up for the challenge. So first ride about to hit is Mickey Runaway. So let's see what we do. So Disney's telling me this is 30 minutes for Mickey Runaway. People that know, this part of the line is not 30 minutes, so we're gonna see. We're about to time it. It is 7:10, so we should be on by 7:40, so we'll see. This does not look like 30 minutes. What time is it?
7:25.
7:25. I had 30. I had dibs on 30. They were correct.
We will see. We will see. So it's been 15 minutes. We have 15 more minutes to go. And from the looks of it, I don't think we're going to be there in 15 minutes. So we'll see.
Want to take a ride on the train?
All right, so I guess it was a 30-minute wait. We are here. The line's right there. There's the ride. So it was 30 minutes. And our ride is here. Oh. Whoa!
Hurry, hurry, hurry! Step right up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls! There they are!
We made it! Nothing can stop us now!
Whoa!
We have to stop them before they go over the
Oh! Man, this got some of the best I don't know what to call it, 3D, 4D. It's pretty cool.
Ready?
Let's dance.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Hey.
You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Now, let's para!
Hey. 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 Hey.
Well, that concludes my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park. And thanks for sticking with me. Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
That looks so real. So we are headed to Rise of Resistance. That is only 30 minutes right now. So we're about to go ahead and try that out real quick. We got on the ride in 30 minutes, so I guess the wait times are very accurate. But before we go there, I am about to stop by Ice Cold Hydraulics, like I told you guys at the end of this video, because they do have a treat I want to try. It's spicy, but it's also very sweet. So we will see. So we are here, and this is the treat I was talking about. Bouncing mini churros. It's a mini churro topped with Coca-Cola and bourbon candied bacon, sriracha aioli, and some scallions. That looked good too. The candy painted cinnamon rolls, but we came here for this. So we're gonna go ahead and dive into that. As you see, I am racing over the Rise of Resistance with my family, but this is what the bouncing mini churros look like. Looks delicious. I cannot wait to get into this. I heard the flavor is very weird, but good at the same time, so we're gonna see. So this is a quick taste test, and then I'm gonna head on the Rise of Resistance. Here you guys go. Again, see. Interesting. It's very interesting. So it's spicy, but it's also sweet. I like it. My fiance don't like it. She's over there shaking her head behind the camera, but I like it. It's actually pretty decent. It's different. I would say that. It's sweet, but also spicy. The sriracha sauce, the scallions, the candy, the Coca-Cola candy bacon. Good. Rise of Resistance actually just went down to 20 minutes. 20 minutes. So it seems like we are stuck. I think the ride might be down. And this is gonna ruin our 2-hour ride session that we were trying to do. Line's not moving no more, so it's like we're stuck right here. And we were trying to get on Slinky right after this. That would have been nice to do in 2 hours, get 3 rides done. 3 of the best rides, but Star Wars is down. Finally, the line is moving. Where you going, BB-8? Oh, there you go.
Joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Watu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pucara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pucara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Oh, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Hyperdrive systems normal. Main reactor. I'm sure. Hang on. Give me a moment. Engage propulsors and hold on, recruits. Warships, launch.
This is pretty cool.
What do you do Fortnite? No, they ain't Roblox.
I swear some of these move actually. Don't some of them move? Yeah, I think some of their heads move.
Oh my! Nice work. You're gonna be moving straight after the next 10. All the way down. Let's go.
We here.
Both lines at the same time. Follow me. Follow her.
We are prisoners, y'all.
How many in your unit?
4.
4 on red.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order, we will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want.
Oh!
You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
The turbo west, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Oh, here we go. Woo-hoo-hoo.
Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, then go to the prisoners.
Oh!
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
These things are huge. Oh my God.
The escape pod's just below us.
Oh! Oh! It's fine. We've been on this before.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields.
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave. But ultimately hopeless.
Oh!
There's nowhere to run.
escape.
Oh no!
Tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the resistance.
Oh! I will say this, prepare yourself. Prepare yourself. I'm telling you, hold on. Oh! Oh!
Okay, you're clear.
Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know, Stafford's copy.
Golly, Ma.
Escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending.
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck! Still alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo!
That was fun. I haven't been on that ride in a minute, so I enjoyed it a lot. But unfortunately, we can't do another ride because that ride was held up. Something was wrong with the ride, so we were in that line for 50 minutes, even though the wait time was supposed to be 20. It happens. So, but we had fun. That was my mom's first time, my sister's first time on the ride, so we had a blast. And this is what Hollywood looks like after closing. I mean, it's like 9:30 right now. We're just getting off the ride because of the long delay, but it is dead. Why can't it always be like this? Is it me, or does that dinosaur eyes? You know what? I won't say it. If you know, you know. All right, everyone. That'll be it for today. We had a blast. I mean, we got on 2 rides, Star Wars and Mickey Runaway, which was very fun. That was my mother and my sister's first time getting on both those rides, actually. So I was excited for them. Most importantly, we did get to try the new ice cold hydraulics and the little mini bouncing churros. They were delicious. My fiance, otherwise, she didn't like them. But to me, I think the flavor was interesting and it was good. So appreciate you guys watching this video. If you did enjoy it tonight, please like, share, and subscribe. You guys have a blessed day.